Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best 120-inch curtains is probably one of the most transformative additions you can make to your living space. These curtains not only offer privacy and light control, but also significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. Whether you're aiming for a cozy, intimate atmosphere or a bright, airy feel, the right curtains can make all the difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of 120-inch curtains to help you find the perfect match for your needs. Number 5. NICETOWN 120-inch Blackout Curtains, 2 panels. These curtains come in a set of 2 panels, each measuring 52 inches wide and 120 inches long. The silver grommet design adds a touch of elegance, making them easy to install and slide along the curtain rod. Made from super heavy and soft blackout material, these panels are designed to be upmarket. They block 85 to 99% of light, provide thermal insulation, soundproofing, and are energy efficient. These curtains protect your furniture and floors from sun exposure. They also help regulate the temperature in your home, providing privacy and promoting a good night's sleep, so you wake up refreshed. You don't need to search for matching sheer curtains. These curtains can be paired with different styles of voile curtains from the NICETOWN store. They offer a harmonious window dressing, adding life to your home. These curtains are made to last, with good quality finishing. They are machine washable in water below 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Use mild detergent, avoid bleaching, and iron at a low temperature. Avoid using sharp objects that could scratch them. What we like. This curtain features an elegant design with silver grommets, making installation a breeze. It also offers excellent thermal insulation, perfect for maintaining a comfortable home environment. If you are looking for a stylish and energy-efficient solution for your patio or large windows, you should consider this. What people say. They cut out about 85% to 99% of the light, which is perfect for my schedule and privacy. On top of that, these curtains are thermal insulated and soundproof, which means my bedroom stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. The fabric feels thick and well made, and they do a great job blocking out light and providing privacy. Number 4. NICETOWN Gray Blackout Patio Door Curtain. This blackout curtain is made of super soft and heavy triple weave polyester fabric. The same material on the back makes it look more elegant. It has 14 silver grommets for easy hanging. This extra wide curtain is perfect for covering sliding doors. It blocks out most light and UV rays. It also provides thermal insulation, noise reduction, and privacy. The triple weave blackout fabric helps regulate room temperature. It insulates against heat in the summer and cold in the winter, reducing energy costs. It also protects your furniture from the sun. This curtain is ready to hang, thread-trimmed and wrinkle-free. It's suitable for sliding doors, patio doors, and large windows. You can hang it alone or combine it with NICETOWN sheer curtains. This curtain is made with good quality finishing and can withstand years of use. It's machine washable in water below 86 F. Use mild detergent and low-temperature ironing. Avoid scratching it with sharp objects. What we like. The curtain's triple weave fabric not only looks elegant but also effectively reduces noise and saves energy. It is designed to balance room temperature, cutting down on air conditioning costs. If you are looking for a curtain that offers both style and practicality for your sliding or patio doors, you should consider this. What people say. The panel fits perfectly across my window, and installation was simple thanks to the sturdy grommets that slide easily onto a standard rod. The material is thick and well made. In practice, the room gets dark enough for naps during the day, and glare on the TV is completely gone. Number 3. H.VERSAILTEX White Sliding Door Curtain. This single panel measures 120 inches wide and 96 inches long, perfect for large sliding glass doors. It features 16 strong metal grommets for easy hanging on any curtain rod. The size makes it ideal for various spaces. These curtains block out 50% of sunlight and 100% of UV rays. They are made from eco-friendly materials, free of vinyl and PVC. Enjoy a safe and private environment with these curtains. Made in an OEKOTX standard 100 factory, the thick microfiber fabric is soft and durable. It provides thermal insulation, room darkening, noise reduction, and energy efficiency. It is crafted to be decent and luxurious. Excellent for patio doors, French doors, or even to redefine a space in your home. It's a smart and cost-effective way to reinvent your space, suitable for bedrooms, apartments, and more. It comes with strong metal grommets for easy installation. This curtain is machine washable in cold water. Use non-chlorine bleach when needed and tumble dry on low. Iron it with a warm iron if necessary. It is easy to maintain. What we like. This curtain offers a large size, perfect for covering large windows or dividing rooms, and ensures complete privacy. It is made from eco-friendly materials and is easy to install. If you need a versatile and private solution for your home or workspace, you should consider this. What people say. The curtains are a great length and the color is perfect. They are well made and look beautiful. The material is nice and they hang well. Number 2. Joydeco 120 Blackout Curtains, 2-panel set. These blackout curtains are made from 100% polyester microfiber. They are durable and naturally wrinkle resistant. You can even machine wash them in a mesh bag. Just avoid bleach to keep the color vibrant. These living room curtains come in 6 sizes and 9 colors. You can easily match them to your bedroom or living room decor. They even have stylish options like burgundy black. These curtains use triple weave technology to block out light. Dark colors block 85 to 99% of sunlight, while lighter colors block 65 to 80%. They create the perfect darkness for sleep. Plus, the thermal insulation helps regulate the room temperature, saving you money. The dense fabric construction absorbs over 35% of outside noise. This makes them ideal for light sleepers and creating peaceful nurseries. It's perfect for apartment living as well. Each panel has 8 silver grommets with a 1.6-inch inner diameter, fitting most curtain rods. The curtains arrive thread-trimmed and wrinkle-free, so you can use them right away. What we like. This curtain is crafted from easy care fabric and comes in various sizes and colors to match any decor. It also effectively reduces noise, creating a peaceful environment. If you are a light sleeper or live in an apartment and need a curtain that offers both style and functionality, you should consider this. What people say. The curtains are a beautiful color and hang nicely. They are a nice weight and block out a lot of light. The length was perfect. Number 1. Joydeco Blackout Curtains 120-inch, 2 panels. These blackout curtains are made from 100% polyester microfiber. They are durable and naturally wrinkle resistant. You can easily machine wash them, but avoid bleach to keep the colors vibrant. The curtains come in 6 sizes and 9 colors, perfect for any living room or bedroom. You can choose from options like burgundy black to match your decor. These curtains use triple weave technology to block light effectively. Dark colors block up to 99% of sunlight, while lighter colors block up to 80%. They also help regulate room temperature, saving you money on energy bills. The dense fabric construction absorbs over 35% of outside noise. This makes them ideal for light sleepers and creating a peaceful environment, such as in a nursery. Each panel has 8 silver grommets that fit most curtain rods. The curtains arrive thread-trimmed and wrinkle-free, so you can hang them up right away. What we like. This curtain is crafted from easy care fabric and comes in various sizes and colors to match any decor. It also effectively reduces noise, creating a peaceful environment. If you are a light sleeper or live in an apartment and need a curtain that offers both style and functionality, you should consider this. What people say. They block light 100%. They hang so very nicely, soft and narrow, which provides beautiful columns of color, and they stay out of the way when open. These work perfect. Keep all the sunlight out, also very thick material. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.